Okay, let's continue. Now we have launched our code editor. The code editor we will use to design our website, which is called Visual Studio Code. So this is the code editor we are going to use in our website designing classes. Before we will start, first you have to create a folder. So create a folder on your desktop. I hope you know how to create a folder on your desktop. Rename the folder. Any name you want to rename it. I have created mine and rename it Computer Training Center on my desktop. So let's locate where the folder is. So let's follow the steps to launch or locate our folder on our desktop. First, go to File. After clicking on File menu, this pop-up option will appear. Then you select Open Folder. After select Open Folder, you have to locate where you create your folder. I created my folder on my desktop. So when I click on desktop, I will go through and locate my computer training center. So this is my folder name, Computer Skills Training. Double click on it. When you double click on it, select folder here. Just click this button, select folder. After clicking on this button, we have selected our folder. So let's place our mouse cursor here and close this. So this is the interface of Visual Studio Code. Now when you come here, you will see our folder name here. The folder name is Computer Skills Training. So this is the folder that we have been created. So on the page we have some options here. The reason why we created this folder is that all the work that we will do, the work will store inside the folder. Any work that we will do, the work will store inside the folder. That's why we created the folder and name it Computer Skills Training. So all the pages, pictures, everything that we will do, we will store it inside the folder. So first, let's move our mouse pointer here. You will see some options here. The first one is New File. So we use the first one to create a file name like Hypertext Markup Language HTML or Cascading Style Sheet CSS or JavaScript. It is many, but this is the ones we are talking about. One is New Folder. We create a folder inside the folder that we have been created. So we create a folder to store our pictures, create a folder to store our files. So we can create many folder as we want. And this one is refresh explorer. Let's maybe you want to refresh your page, you can click this one and do it. And this one is what? Collapse folders in the what? Explorer. Let's say the folders that you have been created, you can click this one and collapse everything. So before we launch our first code, let's click on new file. After clicking on new file, this is what you will see. You will see something like this. In here, you can give it to any name that you want. But at the end, add .html, where you will type everything you want to type inside our web page, the text. Let me take it again. I said you can write anything, but at the end add HTML. Bring dot before HTML. So let's say web dot HTML. Have you seen that it has been changed? You can write any name, or let's say skills dot HTML. Have we seen? So let's write web dot HTML. After that, let's click anywhere. So after clicking anywhere, we have launched our first HTML page. So this is our file. So inside here, you code everything inside here. So before that, let's launch our code. When you want to launch your code, you can type it from the start to the end, but we have a shortcut way to do that, which it will bring everything for you. So on your keyboard, maybe you are using a laptop or you are using a desktop computer. On your keyboard, look for shift key and 1. Shift key and 1. So before we start, press and hold the shift key. Press and hold the shift key. After that, press 1. Shift key plus 1. Then you see this option. After seeing this option, choose the second word, 1. Emit abbreviation. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will see that this code will launch automatically. So these are the steps used to launch our code on Hypertext Markup language. This code will launch automatically. So our next lesson, you explain the code for you to know the function of this code. Thank you.